from Buckeye Girls Lifestyle. Today is the 12 days of Christmas. It's day 8. We are doing s'mores is our theme today. Our hosts are Rustic and Lace DIY and Crafting with Mimi's World. Please check out their channels and amazing creators in the playlist. Today I will be doing a simple s'mores ornament. Okay, we're going to go a little exaggerated on our s'mores. In other words, they're not going to be the exact same size because, you know, a normal graham cracker is about 2 by 2. Well, that's not going to work. So we're going to go a little bit bigger. We're going to just try to overlap this. It's gonna be a little exaggerated. Then we're gonna take this and we're gonna paint this white because this is gonna be our marshmallow. The dice from the Dollar Tree. And we're going to just paint this white. And we may need to do a couple coats. But the biggest thing is we want the orange to be covered. Okay, this is burnt umber. And we're going to paint it on the top. And we're going to do little drips. All the way around, we'll do just little drips. It took 3 coats to turn this white, so the orange wouldn't show. And it'll probably take 2 coats for the chocolate. Pink, hydrangea, pink hydrangea. We're gonna just get a little bit. This is like you're doing your makeup. Kind of rub it together. You know, we don't want. We want just a little bit. We want just a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Like that. And we're gonna do a nice smile. And we're gonna do nice little eyes. Okay, this is our cracker. And of course our cracker's got a couple indentions in it. We're going to try to make this even. We're going to go over here. And of course, the one that we don't like, we don't like how it turns out, we can always put that on the bottom. Well, maybe I should have went this way. Here we go. And this is just a screwdriver. You can use whatever to make your marks. And I think I'll use that as my top. Okay, this is going to be our bottom. Okay, we have ribbon. This is going to be a ornament. Okay, get a pin with a decorative pearl or something on the top, whatever your choice is. Do not get it as long as mine, but I'm going to trim mine. This is a don't do as I do post. Yeah, every now and then I do that. Okay, get the ribbon of your choice that you want to use as a hanger. I thought it would be fun to do snowman. I think I went a little overboard on the length. So I'm going to trim it. Okay, stack these in the center. And make them even. Yeah. Pin through. There. There's your ornament. If you wanted to, you could add a bow. And I may trim this here in the back. Might trim this a little bit to finish it off, because I can still see I could see my pin marks. Here is our s'mores ornament. Tell me what you think. I think it turned out cute.